welcome back to the shop. Today we're doing a little troubleshooting and a little painting. We're going to actually paint the wheels red this time, if we don't run out of time, like last time. And we are also going to swap the brake drums from Betsy. Gonna put the ones from Brittany on there. Just see if that's what's causing them to lock up. And yeah. Alright, so it's been a couple days since we've last been out here. From the other videos you can see we took the wheels off. I don't think there's any video of us swapping the brake drums, but we did that and we sanded those down, and I just now finished putting paper and tape and cleaning them with acetone. So next I'm going to paint them, and then once they're done, I'm gonna get Betsy back on the road. Dad's not really painting with me today, but he's out here doing random stuff, so you'll see him. So yeah, let's get to it. Here's how it's looking so far. So if you watch the video, you'll probably see that my dad stepped in and helped me a little bit. I accidentally got some pooling. I don't know if that's the technical term, but I pressed a little too hard and I sprayed in the same spot for a little too long and a little too close, which I've painted a little bit before and I knew that could happen, and that was an accident. So yeah, I don't know, makes me a little sad that I did that, but it's alright. It's just a Jeep, it'll be fine. Plus the other ones look better so far, so. Alrighty, here they are. We did get some overspray, or I got overspray on the tires, but it's alright. We'll wash it off somehow, and they'll look as good as new, which they are, and nice and fresh. I say they look so good, so good. I'm really excited to drive her around. We have some other issues that we have to fix before I can get her back on the road, but yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for stopping out. Don't forget to like this video.